Tabiat Bridge in Tehran is one of the city's most modern and iconic landmarks. Beyond its functional role of connecting two major parks, it also serves as a recreational and urban public space. Located in the Abbasabad district, the bridge links Taleghani Park to Ab-o-Atash Park, making it one of Tehran's most popular walking and leisure destinations. Tabiat Bridge is recognized as the largest pedestrian bridge in Iran and the Middle East. The bridge stretches approximately 300 meters in length, with a width varying between 6 and 13 meters, and rises about 40 meters above the ground, offering panoramic views of both the city skyline and surrounding greenery. The design was the winning entry in an architectural competition. Its curved form, with varying widths and slopes, encourages a slower pace of movement, allowing pedestrians to pause, explore, and enjoy the surrounding views. The structure features interwoven steel networks and gentle twists, creating a sense of harmony between architecture and nature. Although the bridge consists of 3 levels, the design integrates them fluidly, allowing seamless transitions between walking, viewing, and resting areas. Environmentally friendly and recyclable materials were used, emphasizing sustainability throughout the design process. The bridge weighs about 2,000 tons, composed of over 14,000 steel elements, and is engineered to withstand earthquakes of up to 7.0 magnitude. With an estimated lifespan of around 100 years. Its surface is covered with composite wooden flooring, chosen for both aesthetic appeal and lightweight performance, reducing stress on the main structure.